If you're seeking a perfect haven for an ultimate stay, look no further than Red Queen, an exceptional student accommodation nestled within the captivating city of Coventry. Take your pick from a stellar selection of convenient ensuite apartments, each of which features a snug bed, a desk and chair for study sessions, a spacious wardrobe, along with a private ensuite shower room. What's more, embrace your inner chef in our large kitchens, complete with free laundry facilities, making chores a breeze while you whip up a storm. On weekends, unwind with a movie night or karaoke session in the cinema or KTV room, or keep your body and mind in top shape with the in-house state-of-the-art gym. Plus, with social calendar brimming with events, there's always something exciting happening just around the corner. When it's time to hit the books, both University of Warwick and Coventry University are just a short ride away. On weekends, appease the shopaholic within you at the West Orchards Shopping Center or swing by the Westwood Music Center for a musical evening. And with various bus stops and train stations nearby, transportation has never been more convenient. So are you ready to experience the magic of Coventry like never before? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com and secure your ideal stay at Red Queen today.